Listen to the local officials. Right now, all those decision makers are getting together, figuring out who's at risk and making those preparations.
And that'll happen sooner than later, so be prepared to go if you're asked to indeed do that. Here's a look, by the way, at the wave height forecast. This is this afternoon, but notice how the waves really start to ramp up as the system itself intensifies. There's going to be some light purple in there, so it could be looking at waves 15 to 20 feet, which is going to cause obviously some big issues at the beaches.
Right, and then we also have to, talk about the tropical storm force winds. Before 8 p.m. Thursday, staying offshore, but now we get into the Houston area, and then we'll begin to watch 8 p.m. Thursday into early Friday morning. Friday through the day, that's when we think the winds will really be ramping up into portions of Texas.
Yeah, so time is of the essence. Get everything done that you need to get done now. All right, still come here on
Float your vehicle.
Absolutely. So let's talk a little bit more about the dangers we're going to see here with Dr. Navarro. She's at the chalkboard here to talk about just this water may have nowhere to go in coastal Texas, even inland Texas, and portions of Louisiana as well.
Yeah, that's right. This storm is really going to cause some issues here for much of the Gulf Coast. On a normal day, this water is going to be able to exit out towards the Gulf of Mexico. You've got some waterways here, including a very large river here to the east of Houston, and these rivers will drain out towards the Gulf of Mexico. Again, this is the natural way of things, and even if you get a lot of rainfall, that naturally happens. But once we get a tropical system approaching the coast, I'm drawing it over here because it's on the right side of the system where this is going to be an issue, because we're going to have onshore flow. That's water moving from air, moving from the water onto the land. And so this is going to push back on all of that water that's trying to exit. This is going to be a lot of water coming in from off the ocean. So not only are the rivers going to be probably overflowing, but they're really just going to have a force pushing back on them. So they're just not going to be able to exit. And it's not just here in Houston.
And I feel about all those bayous. They're just going to back up, and then they're going to go up because they can't go out.
That's
right. The problems will also persist in Louisiana.
That's right. That onshore flow in here is going to continue for much of the Gulf Coast. So it's not just here. That is a lot of areas here that are going to be having some issues.
Dr. Navarro, thank you very much.